Hey guys, Henry here from Our Freedom Formula. Today, we're speaking about how Stoicism can help you stop feeling insecure. Stoicism is a philosophy that originated in ancient Greece and was started by Zeno of Citium, and later gained popularity in Rome by philosophers such as Epictetus, Seneca, and Emperor Marcus Aurelius. It's a practical philosophy that provides guidance on how to live a good and virtuous life. One of the key teachings of Stoicism is the idea that we have control over our thoughts, emotions, attitudes, and reactions to external events. This philosophy can be a powerful tool in overcoming insecurity and developing a more confident and resilient mindset. Here's how Stoicism can help stop someone from being insecure. Number 1. Focus on internal qualities. Stoicism encourages people to prioritize internal qualities such as wisdom, integrity, and moral character over external factors such as physical appearance or social status. By shifting the focus from external validation to inner virtues, people can develop a sense of self-worth that's not dependent upon the opinion or judgment of others. This can significantly reduce insecurity, stemming from concerns about how you appear to others. This shift in mindset allows people to recognize and appreciate their own strengths, talents, and virtues. As they cultivate a deeper understanding of their own value, their confidence naturally grows. They no longer rely on external factors for validation and instead draw confidence from their own character and virtues. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." This quote by Marcus Aurelius emphasizes the importance of cultivating positive and virtuous thoughts. It highlights that true happiness and fulfillment comes from within, and by nurturing our own internal qualities and thoughts, we can shape our perception of the world and our well-being. Number 2. Acceptance of what is beyond our control. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of distinguishing between what is within our control and what is not. Insecurity often arises from worrying about things that are outside of our control, such as other people's opinions or outcomes of certain events. By accepting that these external factors are beyond our influence, Stoicism teaches us to focus on our own actions, thoughts, and attitudes. This shift in perspective helps individuals to let go of unnecessary worries and find peace within themselves. Insecurities often stems from worrying about things that are outside of our control, such as opinions or judgment of others. By embracing the Stoic principle of accepting what is beyond their control, people can free themselves from the burden of seeking approval and validation from others. They learn to focus their energy on things that they can control, such as their thoughts, attitudes, and actions. This acceptance allows them to let go of unnecessary worry and self-doubt, fostering a sense of inner peace and confidence. Epictetus wrote, "Happiness and freedom begin with a clear understanding of one principle. Some things are within our control, and some things are not." Epictetus highlights the Stoic principle of recognizing the distinction between what is within our control and what's not. By accepting and embracing this truth, individuals can free themselves from unnecessary worry and insecurities, focusing their energy on the aspects of life they can influence. Number 3. Embrace adversity as an opportunity for growth. Stoics believe that challenges and setbacks are a natural part of life. Rather than viewing them as a reason for insecurity or self-doubt, Stoicism encourages individuals to see them as opportunities for personal growth and character development. By embracing adversity and facing it with courage and resilience, individuals can build confidence in their ability to overcome obstacles, thereby reducing feelings of insecurity. By adopting this mindset, people can reframe their experiences and see adversity as a chance to test their inner strength. As they overcome obstacles and develop a track record of successfully navigating difficult situations, their confidence naturally increases. They realize they have the capacity to handle challenges and become more self-assured in their ability to overcome future obstacles. Epictetus said, "The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it." Skillful pilots gain their reputation from storms and tempests. Epictetus suggests that challenges and difficulties provide opportunities for growth and the development of resilience. By reframing adversity as a chance to demonstrate strength and character, individuals can approach obstacles with a mindset of courage and optimism, thereby fostering personal growth and confidence. Number 4. Practice negative visualization. Negative visualization is a Stoic technique where individuals imagine worst-case scenarios, or the loss of things they value. While this may seem counterintuitive, the purpose is to cultivate gratitude for what you currently possess and to prepare yourself mentally for potential hardships. By regularly practicing negative visualization, you become less attached to external outcomes and learn to find contentment and security in the present moment. As people practice negative visualization, they become more resilient and less dependent on specific outcomes. Their confidence grows knowing they can handle whatever comes their way. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Begin each day by telling yourself, today I shall be meeting with interference, ingratitude, insolence, disloyalty, ill will, and selfishness, all of them due to the offense, ignorance of what is good or evil." Marcus Aurelius encourages the practice of negative visualization by acknowledging and preparing for challenges and negative behaviors one might encounter from others. By contemplating potential difficulties, individuals develop mental resilience and gratitude for the present moment, leading to a more balanced and confident approach to life. Number 5. Cultivate self-discipline and virtue. Stoicism places great emphasis on self-discipline and living in accordance with virtue. By practicing self-control and striving to embody virtues such as courage, wisdom, justice, and temperance, individuals develop a strong sense of inner strength and moral character. This process involves setting goals, taking consistent action, and making choices aligned with your values. As people see themselves living in accordance with their principles, they build a self-trust and confidence in their ability to make wise decisions and act virtuously. They build a solid foundation of personal integrity, which naturally enhances their self-confidence. This sense of self-mastery and alignment with your values helps to counteract feelings of insecurity and fosters a deep sense of self-assurance. Epictetus wrote, "Freedom is secured not by the fulfilling of one's desires, but by the removal of desire." Epictetus emphasizes the importance of self-discipline and the mastery over desires. By cultivating a state of detachment and aligning your desires with reason and virtue, individuals gain true freedom and inner strength. This self-discipline allows individuals to act with integrity, make wise choices, and develop a sense of confidence rooted in their own values. Number 6. Living in accordance with nature. Stoicism teaches that living in harmony with nature means living in accordance with reason and the natural order of the universe. In the context of insecurity, this means recognizing that external events and the opinion of others are beyond our control and should not dictate our sense of self-worth. By aligning yourself with the fundamental principles of the universe, people can find a sense of inner peace and security that is not easily shaken by external circumstances. They become more attuned to their own inner compass, focusing on what truly matters to them and what's within their control. This alignment with nature fosters a sense of inner peace and security, enabling individuals to develop a strong and unwavering sense of confidence. Seneca wrote, "Nature does nothing in vain." This quote from Seneca highlights the Stoic principle of living in harmony with the natural order of the universe. It suggests that nature operates with purpose and intention, and by aligning ourselves with this inherent wisdom, we can find meaning and fulfillment. Living in accordance with nature involves recognizing our place within the grand scheme of things and embracing the inherent wisdom and order of the world. Number 1. Amafati. Acceptance and embracing of circumstances. Amafati, which translates to love of fate, is a Stoic concept that encourages individuals to accept and embrace all circumstances, both good and bad, that's outside of their control. This mindset involves developing a deep sense of gratitude and appreciation for every aspect of our lives, recognizing that each circumstance presents an opportunity for growth and learning. By accepting and embracing circumstances, individuals free themselves from resistance and resentment, which are often sources of insecurity and dissatisfaction. Instead, they develop a mindset of resilience and gratitude, finding meaning and purpose even in challenging situations. Psychological impact. Embracing Amafati has a profound psychological impact on individuals. It helps them develop a sense of well-being by reducing stress, anxiety, and the tendency to ruminate over things they cannot change. By accepting and loving all circumstances, people shift their focus from dwelling on what went wrong or what they lack to appreciating what they have and finding meaning in every experience. This mindset fosters a sense of contentment, inner peace, and self-assurance, leading to increased confidence and personal growth. Epictetus said, "Do not seek for things to happen the way you want them to. Rather, wish that what happens happens the way it happens. Then you'll be happy." This quote by Epictetus encapsulates the Stoic principle of Amafati. It encourages individuals to embrace and love whatever circumstances unfolds in their lives, rather than constantly desiring things to be different. By accepting and finding contentment in the present moment, people can cultivate a sense of inner peace and happiness. Number 2, focus on what we can control. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of distinguishing between what's within our control and what's not. It teaches individuals to focus their attention and efforts on what they have power over, namely their thoughts, attitudes, and actions. By directing their energy towards things they can control, people free themselves from the anxiety and insecurities associated with trying to manipulate external circumstances or seeking approval from others. Psychological impact. Focusing on what we can control empowers individuals by shifting their mindset from feeling helpless and victimized to taking ownership and responsibility for their own lives. This shift in perspective allows individuals to develop a sense of agency and autonomy, which are key components of confidence. They no longer rely on external factors for their sense of self-worth, as they understand that their own thoughts, attitudes, actions, and emotions are under their control. This mindset fosters a proactive approach to life, empowering people to make positive changes, pursue their goals, and become the person they aspire to be. By combining Amafati and a focus on what we can control and letting go of what we can't control, people can experience a transformative psychological shift. They develop resilience, gratitude, and acceptance of circumstances, which reduces insecurity and fosters a sense of inner peace. Moreover, by recognizing their power over their own thoughts, actions, and emotions, people gain confidence and agency, enabling them to take control of their lives and shape their own destiny. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and leave a comment down below and let me know what you do to stop insecurity in your life. Just so you know, on the top left hand side of the screen, you'll see a video I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now if you click on that, or poke me in the forehead with your finger, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.